students, welcome to Abhyas Law Prep. We have a good news today. DSNLU, Damodaram Sanjeevaya National Law University, located at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, has released a vacant seat notification. Let's take a look at that. For that, you'll need to get into any browser and search for NLU Vacant Seats 2025 and open the website of Abhyas Law Prep, where every other NLU that has released a vacant seat notification has regularly been updated here along with the last dates and their application links. So now at 14th number is of DSNLU Visakhapatnam. So you have to click here for the notification. So today we'll be looking at what is the last date to apply for this vacant seat notification and who are all eligible for applying for this vacant seat notification at DSNLU, and also the number of seats that are available at DSNLU. So for All India EWS category, we have 1 seat available, and for All India General category, we have 13 seats available, and for OBC, we have 4 seats available, and for All India SC, we have 1 seat available, and All India ST, 2 seats, and AP State General, 4 seats, and AP State BCB, 1 seat. So this is for the filling up of the vacant seats of the 5-year BA LLB honors. So this vacant seats are for the filling up of this 5-year program BA LLB honors at DSNLU. And let's look at the eligibility now. So All India General category, in the All India General category, all the students up to the rank of 5,000 are eligible to apply. And for OBC category, All India students up to 7,000 rank are eligible to apply. And for ST category and SC category, respectively 15 and 25,000. And for AP category, BCB, Andhra Pradesh category, we have up to 20,000, and for AP General category, we have up to 15,000. So if you are belonging to the AP and if you are in the General category and if your rank is below 15,000, you are eligible to apply for the General category vacant seat. And for the EWS category, All India, up to 6,000 you can apply. And the last date for applying for this vacant seat notification is July 3rd, 2025. That is the day after tomorrow. And the merit list will be released the next day after that. And now let's take a look at how do you go on about filling this vacant seat application. So there is a link given here. Okay. There's a link given here that is of the Google Docs. You have to just click on that. Okay, and make sure while filling this form you have your CLAT 2025 admit card ready and your CLAT 2025 scorecard. So enter your admit card number, enter your name. So make sure you fill in all the details as per your CLAT application, and your gender, your mobile number, alternate mobile number, email ID, and your CLAT All India rank, and what category you are choosing to apply. Make sure you choose this correctly with respect to the eligibility that has been given so far and what we have discussed. And also you have to enter your UTR number. So whom do you make the payment? So here a payment of 1500 rupees, 1500 rupees non-refundable fees has to be paid, and it has to be paid for the bank account and point number 11. So let's look at point number 11. So okay, so here the bank account of the DSNLU registrar has been given. Okay, so this is the bank name, account type. So you can pay through online banking or net banking for that matter. Amount of 1500 rupees you have to make to this account and enter your UTR number. After you make 1500 rupees of payment into this bank account, you have to then proceed on to filling this form. Your UTR number or transaction number you can enter here and then click on submit. So this is how you fill in your application form for the vacant seats at DSNLU. Make sure you do this before 3rd of July, that is day after tomorrow. Make sure you do this before 3rd of July, and make sure you are also eligible. So look at your rank, okay, and look at this eligibility and make sure you're also eligible for applying for the same. And all the best for your counseling in case you get selected, which most probably you will. And thank you.